What happens if you're arrested today in Kenya? Do you know your rights? Or could you unknowingly give them away? Today we break down Articles 49, 50, and 51 of the Constitution of Kenya, 2010. Some of the most powerful protections every citizen must understand. Part 1. Rights of Arrested Persons, Article 49. The moment you are arrested, the law steps in to protect you. First, you must be told immediately why you are being arrested, your right to remain silent, and what happens if you choose to speak. Example: if police arrest you and don't explain the reason in a language you understand, that's a violation of your rights. You also have the right to remain silent, contact a lawyer or someone who can help you, refuse to confess or say anything that could be used against you. This is critical. You are not required to incriminate yourself. You must also be held separately from convicted prisoners, taken to court within 24 hours or next working court day. Example: if you're arrested on Friday night, you should be presented in court by Monday. At your first court appearance, one of three things must happen. You are charged, told why you are still being held, or released. And importantly, you have a right to bail or bond unless there are strong reasons to deny it. Also, if an offense only carries a small penalty, like a fine or short jail term, you should not be held in custody unnecessarily. Part 2. The right to a fair hearing, Article 50. This is where justice truly begins. Every person has the right to have their case heard fairly, publicly, and without bias. If you are accused of a crime, you are protected by several powerful rights. You are innocent until proven guilty. You must be told clearly what you are being charged with. You must be given enough time to prepare your defense. Example: you cannot be rushed into trial without knowing the evidence against you. You also have the right to a public trial, a lawyer of your choice, a state-appointed lawyer if you cannot afford one and injustice may occur. Be present during your trial. Remain silent during proceedings. You must also be given access to the evidence against you and the chance to challenge it. Example: if evidence was obtained illegally, like through torture, the court can reject it. Other key protections include the right to an interpreter if you don't understand the language used, protection against being tried twice for the same offense, the right to appeal if convicted, and if new strong evidence emerges after conviction, you can even request a new trial. Part 3. Rights of Persons in Custody, Article 51. Even if someone is detained or imprisoned, they do not lose their rights. They still retain all fundamental freedoms, except those limited by the fact that they are in custody. Example: a prisoner still has the right to dignity and humane treatment. They also have the right to go to court and challenge unlawful detention through something called habeas corpus, which simply means asking the court to review whether their detention is legal. The law also requires the government to ensure humane treatment of detainees, protection of their rights based on international standards. These articles remind us of a powerful truth. Justice is not just about punishment, but about fairness, dignity, and rights for all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so more people can understand their rights. Thank you for being part of our Constitution breakdown journey. In the next episode, we'll cover Article 52, the specific application of rights. Stay informed, stay empowered.